Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to log into Comerica Bank account online on our computer, and now let's dive right in. Now to log into Comerica Bank account online on your computer, first open up your preferred browser as I've already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in the address comerica.com and hit on enter, and then you'll be redirected to the home page of Comerica. So let's wait for it. And over here guys, at the top right corner of the screen, you can see here is a login button available for us. The red button, click on that red button where it says the login, and you'll be on this interface where you'll be able to enter your user ID, whichever it is, and after that enter the password which you had registered on Comerica at the time of creating your account. But guys, if you have forgotten your password, you can always retrieve it from over here where it says the forgot password. If you click on that, you will be taken to a procedure where you will be able to retrieve your account's password. And with that being said guys, after entering your username and your password, simply click on the login button available over here, and then you'll be logged into your Comerica web banking account online on your computer. And there guys, this is how to log into Comerica Bank account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.